what made you violate the terms of your preventive suspension. Normally, kung preventive suspension ka, hindi ka pupunta sa office mo. You don't even call your colleagues. You just sit there quietly. And then when it's time for you to report back to office, then you go as commanded. Pero ikaw, masyado kang busy. Preventively suspended ka, masyado kang maraming kinakausap. At tungkol pa naman sa official and military operation. So, what made you do that when you were under preventive suspension? And don't play words with me. Words are my livelihood.
Your Honor, when the law enforcement operation of PSAP was approved by me prior to my suspension, I have already delegated the command and control.
We know that. Answer the question. You're under preventive suspension and yet you are still dipping your finger in the pie. You're participating in none of your business at that time. You're preventively suspended, remember?
Your Honor, when I made remarks regarding what was been taken by Police Director Napeñas, it was mere an advice, Your Honor.
So don't quibble with me. I told you I memorized Black's Law Dictionary. I only advised. I did not order. Really?
Your Honor, my intention was...
Bakit ka salita ang sagla? Bakit hindi ka na nahimik sa estate mo sa Nueva Ecija? Under preventive suspension kayo, nakikialam ka sa biro mo. 40 tao ang namatay. At isali ka doon. Kung hindi ka siguro nag-isali doon, baka buhay pa sila.
Your Honor, when I delegated the responsibility, I did not delegate the accountability.
So aren't you ashamed of yourself? Saying I delegated the responsibility but did not delegate. I delegated the authority but did not delegate the responsibility or some such words. You should hear yourself talk.
The accountability.
Pwede sa akin yan.